Hey everybody, welcome back to Fit and Lean TV. Tonight we're going to be talking about a couple items we recently picked up to help make our camping trips a little easier. I don't know if you're like us, but we're 5 people in the car. It means there's a lot of electronics, and we're always looking for places to charge. We don't always have enough charging capacity in the F350, so I was looking for something that would give us more options of how we could charge more items at one time. When I was looking on Amazon, I came across the Sabrent 60-watt 10-port fast USB charger. This charger requires an AC plug in the truck, so it's not an option for everyone, but we do have a 400-watt AC plug in the truck, so we're going to give this a try on our next camping trip. Let's see what comes in the box. There we go. In the box is an AC adapter and the 10-watt charging block. So, we're going to give it a try on our next camping trip. We'll report back to you, see how it works. Really hoping this solves our problem. Should make our trips a lot easier. Everybody should have power now. We'll see how it goes. So the next item we're going to talk about is one that's going to help us with cleaning. For the past couple of years, we've been cleaning the floors of the camper with just a simple dustpan and broom. Tired of being on my knees and really want something that's going to help us to break down camp faster, get the job done quicker. We started looking around at some of the different rechargeable vacuums out there on the market, but a lot of them are expensive and I really don't want to spend that much for something that I'm only going to use a couple times a year. We were at Home Depot and we noticed that they had a small shop vac that's rechargeable and runs off the same batteries that my cordless drills use. So, for $87, we were able to get this Ridgid cordless rechargeable shop vac. Reminds me of the old dustbusters from the 80s, but built a lot better, should work a lot better. Also comes with a couple of wand pieces, so I don't have to be on my knees getting the floors clean. Should be able to stand up, should be able to clean it. Let's see what comes in the box. So, we get a wet, dry brush for the floor. We get the vacuum itself, which is actually heavier than I thought it would be. And we get one wand tube. And that's all the parts. So, we're going to take this vacuum with us on our next trip, see how it works, give you guys a full review and let you guys know how it is. Might be an option for all of you too as well. Hope it works as well as I'm thinking.